everyone! Today we are unboxing two colorful surprise eggs, one pink and one purple. What inside? Let's find out together. As we open the first egg, we discover a fun surprise. Kinetic sand. It feels so soft. But what? There is more. Inside the egg, we find a cute little toy. What kind of toy is it? Wow! It is little fox. And now let's open the pink egg. I wonder what's inside. Alright, let's open it. Wow, there is also kinetic sand here. And I can see a small toy. I wonder what kind of animal from this collection it is. It is a cool. If you love unboxing video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting surprise. Bye!